Hello friends, today we will discuss important world geography points. In this we will discuss first major mountain ranges. In this we will discuss range, location and length in kilometer. First is Andes. It is located in South America. Its length is 7200 km. Then Himalayas, Karakura and Hindu Kush. It is located in South Central Asia. Its length is 5000 km. Then Rockies. It is located in North America. Its length is 4800 km. Then Great Dividing Range. It is located in East Australia. Its length is 3600 km. Then Atlas Range. It is located in Northwest Africa. Its length is 1930 km. Then Western Ghats. It is located in Western India. Its length is 1610 km. Then Caucasus. It is located in Europe. Its length is 1200 km. Then Alaska Range. It is located in USA. Its length is 1130 km. Then Alps Range. It is located in Europe. Its length is 1050 km. Then we will discuss major rivers of the world. In this we will discuss river and its origin. First, Nile River. It is originated by Victoria Lake. Then Amazon. It is origin by Andes in Peru. Then Yangtze. It is origin in Tibetan Kiang Plateau. Then Mississippi, Missouri, origin in Itasca Lake in USA. Then Yenisei, origin in Ola Mountains. Then Huang Ho, it is origin in Kunlun Mountains. Then Ob River, it is origin in Altai Mountains, Russia. Then Congo River, it is origin in Ulalaba and Pula rivers. Then Amur, it is origin in northeast China. Then Lena River, its origin in Baikal Mountains. Then Mekong River, it is origin in Tibetan Highlands. Then River Niger, it is origin in Guinea. Then we will discuss important lakes of the world. They are lake. In this we will discuss like lake and its location. Caspian Sea, it is located in Asia. Then Superior, it is located in Canada and USA. Then Victoria, it is located in Africa. Lake Victoria, it is located in Africa. Lake Huron, it is located in Canada and USA. Lake Michigan, it is located in USA. Then Lake Tanganyika, it is located in Africa. Then Lake Baikal, it is located in Russia. It is then Lake Great Bear, it is located in Canada. Then Lake Aral, it is located in Kazakhstan. Then last one, Lake Great Slave, located in Canada. Then we will discuss deepest points of the oceans. In this we will discuss oceans and its deepest point. Pacific Ocean, its deepest point is Mariana Trench. Then Atlantic Ocean, its deepest point is Puerto Rico Trench. Then Indian Ocean, its deepest point is Java Trench. Then Arctic Ocean, its deepest point is Eurasian Basin. Then we will discuss highest and lowest points of the continent. In this we will discuss continent, its highest and lowest points. First, Asia, its highest point is Mount Everest, lowest point is Dead Sea. Then Africa, its highest point is Mount Kilimanjaro, its lowest point is Lake Assal. Then North America, its highest point is Mount McKinley, its deepest point is Death Valley. Then South America, its highest point is Mount Aconcagua. Then its lowest point is Valdez Peninsula. Then Antarctica, its highest point is Vinson Massif. Then its lowest point is Bentley subglacial trench. Then Europe highest point is Mount Elbrus. Then lowest point is Caspian Sea. Then Australia, Mount Kosciuszko, lowest point is highest point is Mount Kosciuszko. Then lowest point is Lake Eyre. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.